ladies and gentlemen. As we know, Indonesia is the second largest shrimp exporter in the world. However, currently the shrimp farming industry is not only Indonesia but throughout the world has a problem with bacterial disease. The bacterial disease that mostly attacks shrimp is vibriosis, caused by the luminescence vibrio. So far, the method used to detect vibriosis disease is by observing the morphology of shrimp in ponds or in hatcheries. Usually, the most easily detected sign is by observing the luminescence in the water and shrimp. If the diagnosis is made based on the appearance of clinical symptoms, bacterial density is already high, so it is difficult to make efforts to prevent disease. That's why we design a primer or marker that can detect the presence Vibrio bacteria more specifically and sensitively before the shrimp show clinical symptoms. The primer that we design are molecular based that specifically and sensitively detect virulent Vibrio genes directly from shrimp organs. There are several advantages of this kit. First, this kit is the only kit that can detect Vibrio pathogens directly from shrimp organ without isolating bacteria. Second, this kit is specifically designed to detect Vibrio pathogen using specific virulent genes primered in shrimp. Third, this kit is using the detection kit. The process required only 1 to 2 days with a sensitivity about 10 to 2 cFU per milliliter. Is much faster and sensitive compared to the conventional methods. Using the conventional methods, the process needs to get results around 3 to 7 days with a sensitivity 10 to 4 to 10 to 5 cFU per milliliter. And using this kit, we can cut the cost production about 40%. This product has a very large market potential, with its target segments are shrimp pond culture, hatcheries, and government institutions that have responsibility to monitor the health status of shrimp in the cultivation area. So collaboration with investor for the development of this product will be very beneficial for investor. Because this product is ready to mass production, the estimated production is about 3,300 units per year with a value about 9 to 9 billion rupiah per year. So it's very profitable for investor. And this product is also very competitive because other products is only for feed and fish. So the target market of this vibriosis kit is 100%. So this kit is specific and sensitivity and already patent granted and has been tested in the field. So this product is quality has been proven.